Let's welcome anchor Vaughn Biggs. He is a community engagement and outreach coordinator at Holy Cross Health, a vice chair of the Ryan White Part A Planning Council, and a board member of Trans Ed and Harmony Waves. Vaughn, Faith and Health to Unite at Broward HCS event on August 23rd, and you are participating in it. Tell me, what's happening now?
That's right, Rex. Broward County's Healthcare Services will host the second annual Faith-Based Initiative on Saturday, August 23rd from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the Dorothy Mangurian Comprehensive Women's Center. This event will take place in observance of National Faith and HIV/AIDS Awareness Day, bringing together community leaders and health experts to explore the powerful intersection of faith and health. This free event will feature renowned panelists from diverse sectors, including medical professionals, faith leaders, support service experts, and individuals with lived experiences. They will lead engaging discussions designed to equip faith-based communities with tools to foster healthy coping strategies, dismantle stigma surrounding health issues, and promote overall well-being. Attendees can expect interactive learning activities, health-related resources, and a welcoming space for networking and partnership building. A complimentary lunch and refreshments will also be provided, encouraging community connection and open dialogue. The Healthcare Services section of Broward County manages funds to deliver high-quality, affordable, and consumer-focused care for individuals with medical, behavioral, mental health, and special health needs. As authorized by the County Commission, for more details, participants will be encouraged to visit broward.org. This is the second event I think I've done with them. It might be second event I've done with them. And the premise was behind it was talking really initially about HIV and the faith community, because so many individuals, they've struggled with dealing with the faith community when it comes to HIV and AIDS. And so it was a way to start bridging that gap and bringing those community leaders, those faith-based leaders to the table to kind of educate them, to talk about the stigma, talk about how, as we see, everything is changing in our country, and churches, have always been on the forefront of helping individuals as well. And people need to find a place that if they want to go worship, and they need to feel like they can do that openly. And HIV is not a death sentence that it once was. So it's a way of how we can build those networks and educate people.
I think it's important because there's a lot of times that sometimes people feel that faith is on one side of the river
Right.
and health is on the other side of the river, and there's not a bridge there.
Right.
And a lot of people who are very, engaged in their faith and their church often come up against that when they have to make health choices.
Right.
So I think it's very important for people to have those conversations, because you can meet in the middle, right? So it's building that bridge on both sides. So I think this is really important. So. Well, Queer News Tonight looks forward to seeing you at Broward HCS event on August 23rd. That is a big LGBTQ story for today. There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by subscribing and sharing Queer News Tonight.